Illustrate AI is one of the most exciting new AI tools that just hit the market, and in this video, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it before you dive in. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting with AI, this software is a game changer. Stick around until the end, and I'll reveal how you can try it completely free, plus my own recommendations for the best AI tools out there. First, what exactly is Illustrate AI? It's a cutting-edge AI software that's designed to streamline the creative process. With a focus on visual content, it helps businesses, marketers, and creatives generate unique graphics, presentations, and even marketing visuals effortlessly. The big draw here is its ability to take your ideas and turn them into professional-grade visuals without needing a background in design. For anyone who's ever struggled with graphic design tools, this is a breath of fresh air. One of the most impressive things about Illustrate AI is its ability to instantly generate images and layouts based on simple text prompts. It's like having a designer at your fingertips. You simply input what you want, whether it's a specific visual theme or a product concept, and Illustrate AI uses its deep learning algorithms to bring that vision to life. It's incredibly intuitive, even if you have no design experience. Another standout feature is its versatility. You can use it for everything from social media graphics to presentations and even custom logos. And it doesn't stop there. It also offers various templates, so you're not starting from scratch every time. Whether you need a quick post for Instagram or a detailed pitch deck for investors, Illustrate AI adapts to your needs. Now, let's talk about speed. Illustrate AI works lightning fast. Instead of spending hours crafting visuals, you can get your images ready in minutes. This is a huge time saver for marketers who are constantly on the go and need to produce high-quality content in a short period of time. What really sets Illustrate AI apart from other tools is its customization options. While it's easy to use out of the box, it also gives you control over fine details. You can adjust colors, fonts, and even add unique elements to make the visuals match your brand's voice. That level of flexibility means you can produce content that feels personal while still leveraging the power of AI. For those of you in marketing or sales, Illustrate AI has a built-in feature that's tailor-made for ad creatives. You can easily create high-converting ads, landing pages, and even video content, all from within the platform. It cuts down on the number of tools you need, consolidating everything in one spot. Of course, no AI tool is perfect. One potential downside of Illustrate AI is its learning curve for absolute beginners. While it's designed to be intuitive, there are still a few features that may take a bit of time to master. But once you get the hang of it, the results are well worth it. I highly recommend trying Illustrate AI for yourself, especially since it offers a free trial through the link in the description below. It's a fantastic tool that could really take your digital content to the next level. And if you're looking for other great AI software options, I've got you covered as well. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of the best ones in the description, many of which you can try for free. So there you have it, 7 crucial things you need to know about Illustrate AI. Don't forget to check out my full list of recommended AI tools in the description. And remember, the link to try Illustrate AI for free is right below. Thanks for watching and happy creating.